Hello finance practitioners, welcome to the today's video where we're gonna gossip about finance, business and stock market in a very episode of Stock Talks by Banati Bombers. Let's get into it. So the gossip number one, Samsung shares could soar up to 40% on smartphone rebounds and chips. Analyst says that the smartphone are going to rebound sharply in the near term of the next year. There is also going to be the boost in the chip industry which will help boosting their share prices. According to SK Kim, analyst at Daiwa Capital, market says that we expect stronger earnings upside to Samsung Electronics earnings in third quarter 2020, led by the set device, mobile and TV division. In addition, we see multiple catalysts for SEC in 2021 on opportunities from 5G, memory and foundry, which include driver rebound on their share prices. Samsung shares hit the all-time high of the share prices to $52.8 in January, but due to global pandemic, their shares saw a dip to $35.59 and then they are not able to reach their previous high till then. On an average, analysts are saying that the Korean giant is going to high as $60 in the next 12 months. Gossip number 2. 6.6% increase in the UK economy in July as business recovers. The UK economy grew about 6.6% in July on monthly basis, according to the reports. The economy seems to recover from sharp downturn caused by the coronavirus lockdown measures. July estimated growth in GDP was broadly in line with the expectations according to the analyst, with prediction of 6.7% monthly expansion followed up by 8.7% in June and 2.4% in May. UK GDP contracted about 20% in the second quarter of 2020. Report shows a decline of 11.7% contraction from the last year. Director of Economic Statistics Darren Morgan says that while it has continued steadily on the path towards recovery, the UK economy still has to recover and make up nearly half the GDP lost since the start of the pandemic. Gossip number 3. An achievement for the Indian firms. 4 of the top 10 Indian firms added up to 3 lakh crore in the market cap last week, led by the Reliance industry, which have a market cap of more than 15 lakh crore till now. Reliance on its own added more than 2.5 lakhs crore on its market valuation, which stood at the total valuation of 15.68 lakh crore on Friday. Following Reliance Industries, there are Tata Consulting Services, Hindustan Unilever Limited and Infosys were the other 3 most valued firms last week. The TCS rose around 31.5k crores while Infosys gained around 11,000 crores. Gossip number 4, diesel prices go down from 73. On Saturday, diesel prices fell below the 73 while petrol saw a second reduction in the rates of last 6 months. Petrol prices were cut by 13 pesos per litre and 12 pesos on the diesel. The recent petrol prices are 81.86, which was a dip from 81.99 rupees. This is the second reduction in the past 3 days. Meanwhile, diesel prices fell from 73 to 72.93. Gossip number 5, comics are selling like hot cakes on the crowdfunding sites. Recently, Boom Studios, which is working with Keanu Reeves on the Kickstarter project, are gaining popularity on the crowdfunding platform Kickstarter. The new Boom Studios campaign, named as Bizarre, which is a comic book about the demigod written by Matt and Reeves, have earned more than $700k and have over 15 days left towards the end of the campaign, October 1. They have raised over 14 times as their goal, which was $50,000. These are some of the success stories given the disruption and the anxieties caused by the coronavirus pandemic. After the lockdown had started in the month of March, there have been a decline in the activity until May. While comics are selling like hotcakes and they are one of the best categories which are recovering, said the head of publishing and comics at Kickstarter. Gossip number 6, Nvidia near deals to buy ARM from SoftBank for about $40 billion. Nvidia Corporation is nearly to close a deal to acquire SoftBank Group Corporation chipmaker ARM Limited, which would extend its mobile services. Chances are the deal will be finalized next week, which would value ARM for more than $40 billion in cash and stock. No deal has yet been reached, and many talks still fall apart. They said, according to the Bloomberg reports, the July 31st that Nvidia was in advanced talks to buy ARMS Industries and was only suitor for the Cambridge English-based company. Representatives for Nvidia and SoftBank have yet declined to answer. A deal from the ARM Industries could be the largest ever in the semiconductor industry, which has been consolidating in recent years as companies seek to diversify and yet scale up.